How to play Sword Axe Staff. First, join a guild as soon as you unlock it. Guild unlocks at level 15. Join immediately because they provide extra resources, stat buffs, and access to guild boss rewards. Step 2. Keep pulling skills early. Don't hoard your skill currency at the beginning. Skill pulls are part of your class progression, and you need to meet the class requirements to advance to the next tier. Step 3. Upgrade skill slots, not individual skills. When you upgrade a skill, you're actually upgrading the slot it occupies. If you replace the skill later, the new skill inherits that slot's level. The same principle applies to gear slots. Fourth, keep your skill and gear slots balanced. Don't dump everything into one slot. Early on, keeping your skills and gear slots relatively even gives better overall power gains. Step 5. Use your stamina on the map. Early in the game, the dedicated guide recommends using stamina to obtain Rolla, since Rolla is needed throughout the progression and can also be used in the daily shop. Sixth, pick up herbs. Herbs don't cost stamina to collect. Gather them and combine them with water to craft healing potions at your base. Seventh, don't ignore knockback. Combat isn't just about having more combat power. Knockback can move enemies away from their attacks and into your damage zones, giving you opportunities to avoid dangerous kills. At level 30, start using relics. Relics unlock at level 30 through the Aeonic Gacha. Every relic you own provides its basic buffs even when it isn't equipped, so don't ignore your collection. Then match your relics to your class element. When you're deciding which relics to invest in, prioritize relics whose element matches your class because they can improve your damage. Then 11th, don't waste your destiny fruit looking for a secret spot. The exact position of your character on the map does not determine when using destiny fruit. You don't need to search for a hidden coordinate or special tile. The zone determines the relevant relic pool. So you're gonna have to go to your house, go to the desk, pick what relic you want to get, and then go to the place where it says you gotta go to get it. And last but not least, keep exploring. Map progression is one of the biggest drivers of account progression. Exploration unlocks new areas, resources, systems, and rewards. Don't just sit in an early zone farming endlessly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.